Exercise 13.3. Find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. How will you check your answers? So here different shapes are given. We have to find how many number of line of symmetry each shapes have. So let us see from the figure. Number A. In number A, this is the shape given. So how many line of symmetry would be there, students? 4 line of symmetry. Let us draw. This is 1, 2, 3. This will draw diagonally also 4. So how many lines of symmetries are there? 4 lines of symmetry. In this figure, question number B, this is the figure given, Christmas tree form. So if we take horizontal, is the figure divided? No. So this line of symmetry we cannot draw. If we draw vertically, then the figure is divided into 2 equal parts. Hence, there is only 1 line of symmetry. So we will draw 1 line of symmetry. So here, how many line of symmetries are there? 1. Question number C. In question number C, this is the shape given. So students, here the shape is diagonally. So if we put diagonal line of symmetry, then it is divided into 2 parts. And if we take from the centers, then also it is divided into 2 parts. So here first of all, this line is a symmetry, and from here this figure is divided into 2 parts. Hence there are how many lines of symmetry? 2 lines of symmetry. Question number D. In question number D, this is the shape given. So here this is 1 line of symmetry, and here this is 2nd line of symmetry. So how many lines of symmetry are there? 2 lines of symmetry. Question number E. In question number E, which line of symmetry we will do that the figure is divided into 2 equal parts? We will take vertical line of symmetry. Hence we will draw vertical line of symmetry. So how many lines of symmetries are there? 1 line of symmetry. This is the arrow shape. So in this question, we will draw which line of symmetry? We will draw horizontal line of symmetry as well as vertical line of symmetry. So how many lines of symmetries are there? 2 lines of symmetry. Question number 2. Copy the following drawing on squared paper. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has 2 dotted lines of symmetry. So here the different figures are given. We have to copy on a squared paper and we have to draw 2 lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontally, and the figure it should be divided into 2 equal half parts. So let us see figures. Question number 2. This is the figure given. So in this figure, this is the line given. According to the box, we have to count box 1, 2, 3. So leaving 3 box, we will draw this slanted line with all 3 sides. And then we will draw vertical line of symmetry. So from the figure, you can see this mirror that this is a vertical line of symmetry where the figure is divided into 2 equal half parts. And here, from the mirror, you can see this is the horizontal line of symmetry where figure is divided into 2 equal half parts. Question number B. In question number B, this is the complete figure of the question number B. Now, after completing figure, we have to draw 2 dotted lines, means 2 line of symmetry. First, let us put vertical line of symmetry. And let us see whether the figure is divided into equal half parts or not. Yes, here figure is divided into equal half parts with vertical line of symmetry. Then here also with the horizontal line of symmetry, figure is divided into equal half parts. Hence this figure has 2 dotted line of symmetry. Question number C. In question number C, this is the complete figure. We have to draw complete figure by counting box on each quadrant. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4 quadrants. So every quadrant we have to draw same shapes to complete this figure. Then we will draw line of symmetry. So if we take vertical, then this is a vertical line of symmetry. Now if we take horizontal, If we take horizontal, then also figure is divided into two equal parts. Hence, it is a horizontal line of symmetry. Question number D. In question number D, this is the shape given in question. Now, we have to complete the shape by counting box. Like 1, 2 box vertical lines we have to draw, leaving 1, 2 and 1, 2 box we have to draw slanted line, and then with one box we have to draw horizontal. Same we have to draw in each quadrant, and then we have to find whether the figure is symmetry or not using mirror. So let us keep this mirror vertically and see whether the figure is divided equally or not. Yes. Then here also with the mirror, if we keep horizontal line of symmetry, then the figure is equally divided into two parts. Now in this figure also, this is one part given in the question. Same part we will draw in all the three. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 shapes and 1, 2, 3 shapes. Now we will see with the dotted line of symmetry. This is the vertical line. Here now you can see with this mirror, it's a vertical line of symmetry. And here you can see this with this mirror with the horizontal line of symmetry. And question number F. Question number F, this is the figure given in the question number F. So here with the same box, 1, 2 box, 1, 2 box, leaving slanted, then again slanted, 1 box, then vertical, 1 horizontal box, then 1, 2 and 3 box slanted. And here 1, 2 and 3 box again slanted. Same figure we will draw here in this quadrant and here in this quadrant. So this here we will draw same figure. Now let us see whether the figure is vertically symmetry with the vertical line or not. So here students, you can see that the figure is symmetry with vertical line. Now let us see with the horizontal line. Here with horizontal line also figure is exact symmetry. Hence we have completed the figure as well as we have drawn two dotted lines in this question. Solution of question 2. We can complete this figure by drawing similar parts as shown in these figures. First about vertical line of symmetry and then about horizontal line of symmetry. Or we can show first about horizontal line of symmetry and then about vertical line of symmetry. Question number 3. In each figure alongside a letter of the alphabet is shown along with the vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letter look the same after reflections. That is, which letters look the same in the image and which do not. So here students, alphabets are given and we have to find alphabets that look same with only vertical line of symmetry. Question number 3. Here this is the alphabets given in the question with vertical line of symmetry. Now let us draw this alphabet. Along with this, let us show different other alphabets which look same with the vertical line of symmetry. Here A is drawn with mirror image. You can see A vertical line of symmetry. Here B is drawn with mirror image. You can see B with vertical line of symmetry. Here O is drawn. You can see same O in the mirror image. Here E is drawn. Can you see E both the same? No. So this is not with the vertical line of symmetry. Hence E is not having vertical line of symmetry. Now can we see with the M as the same M in the mirror image? Yes. Hence M is the vertical line of symmetry. Now for N. Here this is the N and this is N. If we keep mirror image, can you see both N same? No. Hence there is no vertical line of symmetry. Now for P. P also, if we keep mirror image, you cannot find same image. Hence there is no vertical line of symmetry in alphabet P. Now for H. H, you can see students with the same vertical line of symmetry. Now for L. L, here with the L you can see this is not with the vertical line of symmetry. Hence here also no. Now for T. T, you can see here T with T that it looks same both the side. Hence it has vertical line of symmetry. Now for S. This is the S and let us put vertical mirror image. Is it looking same? Is this figure same? No. Hence there is no vertical line of symmetry. Now for V. V is having same image, hence there is vertical line of symmetry. Here X is also same, hence there is vertical line of symmetry. Now let us write solution of this question. Solution. The letters having vertical line of symmetry will have same mirror image, and these letters are O, M, H, T, V, X, and thus these letters will look the same. Thank you.